Colorproof's Baobab collection works to nourish, strengthen, and help repair hair, all while protecting your vibrant color. Infused with the African superfruit Baobab, our recovery shampoo gently cleanses and fortifies the hair and scalp to create stronger, more manageable strands, as well as smooths and revives tresses. With an invigorating aroma of peppercorn patchouli, this concentrated sulfate-free formula increases hair's elasticity, protects against environmental damage and color fading, and delivers hydration from root to tip, leaving you with the appearance of softer, smoother hair. The conditioner has a revitalizing effect on the scalp thanks to an infusion of vitamins and minerals that is both moisturizing and fortifying for shinier, more resilient hair. With Baobab, squalane, and camellia oil, this formula helps prevent breakage, boosts hydration, smooths the hair's cuticle, and prolongs the vibrancy of your hair color. Baobab Recovery Treatment Spray transforms your styling routine by sealing nourishment into the hair shaft and adding a lightweight protective barrier. With a formula enriched by Baobab and a delightful, warm aroma, this spray rejuvenates hair, shields against environmental stressors, and enhances shine, all while preserving its vibrancy. Remember, every Colorproof product contains our proprietary advanced Color Last system that combines a powerful blend of proteins and antioxidants to restore, maintain, and defend against fading so you can be your most radiant self.